Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. The whole world was waiting for the speech of Jerome Powell, and as you can see here, and the impact was Wall Street rallies but trade choppy as investors digest Powell comment. Yes, same happened with us also because we were waiting for a clear direction on the charts of USD pairs, but sadly we could not find any. When the news came out or when the speech was over, we saw a drop on the chart of DXY. As expected, the previous resistance of DXY was 103.50, which acted as support this time. And market bounced immediately, and right now DXY standing at 103.32. So the confusion on the chart of Euro USD is still not over because we were not having a clear direction on the chart of Euro USD. We were hoping that after the speech of Jerome Powell, maybe market will show us some direction. But sadly, we are still stuck because we can see that Euro USD is trading at 1.0731. The only good thing that happened on the chart of Euro USD is we expected market to reverse from the 200 moving average here, and market did reverse. So this gave us the clear confirmation that this is the range of Euro USD right now. One more thing we have noticed on the chart of Euro USD, a falling wedge pattern. A falling wedge pattern is usually considered as a trend reversal pattern, means there's a high chance that in the coming days market will be going for a breakout. But to be honest, I do not see any proper reason on the chart right now that will give a push towards the upside. So as a result, if bounce comes also, not bounce, a breakout comes also on the chart of Euro USD, maybe it will not be a big breakout, maybe it will be a kind of a slow movement. Okay, personally, I would like to observe the move first, then only I will decide whether I should be going for entry or not. Because if the volatility of the market remains like this, you can see for the last 8 hours there is not much significant movement. If there is volatility like this, then obviously the breakout will fail. After some move, okay, market will come inside the wedge pattern again. So obviously there is no point of buying on a pattern like this. But as of now, there is still big confusion whether we should be looking for a wedge pattern or whether we should be considering the market as the sideways or choppy market or not. Personally, I would like to wait for a couple of hours, maybe a couple of days, just to know in which direction the market is moving. Okay, so if market reverses or if market comes back again inside the range, I think that the trend line at the bottom has the potential of acting as support. If market comes to the trend line and bounces, you can go for a buy position. The level will be around 1.0650, 1.0660, 1.0650, around this level. I cannot give you the exact number because this is a dynamic support. If market comes and bounces, you can go for a buy position. On the other hand, if market doesn't come to the trend line, and if you see market bouncing from 1.0671 or the low made by the market here, you can also consider taking a buy position as well, because this is a support zone in the market. I don't think so that Euro USD will be going for a big fall right now because we do not have any news yet. Okay, candles of this size. And in case market goes for a breakout also, please be careful. Do not take a buy position immediately, because right now you can clearly see on the chart the market does not have the buyer strength, the bull strength. Okay, so it's better to avoid only. Though we have a clear visible wedge pattern, but we should also think about our money. In case DXY starts falling, okay, DXY starts falling, DXY goes for a correction again, then we can consider taking a buy. Okay, but otherwise, when DXY is not giving us a clear move, Euro USD is slipping, so it will be very risky for us. And if the volatility of the market remains like this, then if market goes for a breakout also, there is a high chance the market will face some trouble to cross this level again, the high made by the market yesterday. So in fact, I think that we will get a selling opportunity around this area. So in short, if you are an experienced trader, if you know how to manage the risk, then yes, you can look for trading opportunities like buying at the support, buying at the support of the trend line, buying at the previous high, previous low made by the market, or if market reverses from here, okay, then you can consider taking position around these levels. But if you're a new trader, beginner, if you're looking for a direction, especially if you prefer to trade on a trending market, then obviously this is not a market for you. You should be avoiding markets like this, because to be honest, there is no clear direction. You can clearly see that we have a range bound market right now, as well as we can clearly see a falling wedge pattern, which is a trend reversal pattern. But market has not signified or is not showing any such strong reversal sign yet. Okay, so it's better to avoid right now. If you're an experienced trader, then that's your personal choice. Otherwise, it's better to avoid only, in my opinion. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Less is mine, less is I can. Wrong as well. Bye bye. Take care.